Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the sign language detection using Python. So you have to first enter the username and password and then click on login button. So it will open home page. Then you have to select the image and let's select any particular image. We have to copy that particular location and paste here and then click on open button. It will show the image and click on predict. So it will detect call gesture. Let's copy that location and paste here and then click on open button. After that click on predict button, then it will predict the call gesture. Let's give another input image. Okay, scroll up. We have to copy location of any image. I'm just copy that particular image and paste here and then click on predict button, so it will predict the I love you. Okay, I'm just copy that particular image location and then click on the predict button. So no gesture found because it will not showing the properly gesture. Let's click on choose image and then click on predict, so it will show I love you with the 0.99% accuracy. Let's go to webcam. So it will open the laptop front camera and I'm just showing my hand like yes, it will show the accuracy, and this is the I love you sign. This will be the OK sign, and this is the prayer sign. This is the I love you. Hello. So in that project you have to just give the input image, or it will also work on the real-time laptop front camera. This project developed using Python programming language and Techie module used to develop the user interface. It's showing good. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.